the ocean, it takes away everything. Yeah. Yeah. And as I look out at the sea, all the problems of my world go away. See, I'm pretty lucky where I live, in the land of the long white cloud. And if you ever wanna come and say hi, just know that I'll be right by your side. And we can pick ourselves up and we can go away and fly up high in the sky with a bird's eye view of the world below. You know, our minds don't always do what we want them to.
Everyone's up this morning because we're all just too excited.
Yeah, making porridge.
Yeah. It feels like last night it was Christmas night because we were seeing land tomorrow.
We made it, everyone! Yeah!
We made it!
Oh, maybe not.
It's just pretty heavy rainstorm, mate. Yeah, it's good. It is bucketing down over here. They're gonna get hammered.
Oh, that's impressive. Look at me.
Considering we've only been sailing for only 5 months, it was an amazing feeling to see land and accomplish what we've just done. 2,000 miles at sea. Man, I'm stoked.
So close, just round this corner.
Right, bud?
So it's 7 in the morning, we're just anchoring. So it's how deep is it? 14 metres. 14 metres deep. And it is so clear.
So excited. Sorry? 35 then the bridle? 37.
We are anchored. We are anchored. We are. Oh my god! Oh, I missed it. How nice is that? Was that nice? Just to show how smooth
Our boat is.
our boat is.
Old Britty on Jeff who made it.
He's been on there for
1,500 nautical miles.
since the start of the crossing.
And someone's got to eat it.
After 2,000 miles at sea and 15 days, we finally made it to Barbados. It was a massive challenge for us all, but we're stoked to be here.
We can make a life worth living. We can make a life. We can make a life. We can make a life worth living. Yeah, that's it. We can make a life. We can make a life. We can make a life worth living. Keep it coming, keep it coming. We can make a life. We can make a life. We can make a life worth living. We can make a life. We can make a life. We can make a life worth living. We can make a life. Hey people, take a look around, y'all. Make a life worth living. It could be World War III. Make a life. We can make a life. Might as well. We can make a life worth living. But if you want to, we can make a life. We can make a life. We can make a life worth living. If you want to, we can make a life. We can make a life. We can make a life worth living.
We're all pretty excited. What are we up to? What are we up to? Well, Jacob's lost his voice.
We're going to get mother.
We're going to Mt Gay Rum Winery? What do you call them?
Distillery.
Distillery. Mt Gay Distillery. We're all pretty excited.
Yeah.
You excited, bro?
Like, oh, yeah.
We're a bit
Hell yeah.
hungover, so it's a bit hard.
Rowan, can you put on a clean t-shirt for us?
But we're hoping that'll help hang
We made it!
Look at the Christmas tree!
Cool, eh?
Filming.
I'm filming you. Here with Joseph.
You're gonna be on YouTube! You'll be YouTube famous.
We're all off to the rum factory.
It's gonna be amazing. Yeah, I've got
Excited.
Look here, look here, look.
So where's Rihanna's house? Rihanna's house up there. Oh my god. Mt Gay.
Abby was expecting fields in a factory.
Oh my god!
That one there's
Here's lemonade.
coconut cream.
Okay, so based on infused lemonade, we're using our pure silver rum. Then we're gonna add some lemon juice, and then we actually created a basil syrup along with still water, shake, and serve in a tall glass.
Cool. Infused lemonade.
What do you think?
At least 100.
That's amazing.
So good. Everyone's ordering their drinks. It's gonna be a good afternoon.
It's like gold.
Welcome. Every great story begins with a time and a place. For Mt Gay, that time and a place is Barbados. 1703. This is where a deed to a hilltop plot of land was granted to a rum distillery named in honour of Sir John Gay. Since then, many have contributed to a major story of our rum, and here we invite you to do the same. We won't expect that you set sail with a shipment of our rum or toil in the cane fields, but we will expect that you drink in the culture and the spirit of Mt Gay. Our story may begin here on the island, but it continues with you and the times, the places that you may enjoy our rum. Thank you for visiting.
Looks like Vegemite.
So this is molasses. Mt Gay rums are crafted from the finest Caribbean sugarcane, molasses, combined with pure coral filtered water.
Oh.
Ugh.
You're supposed to say You're saying it wrong. You meant There is a hill. There is a hill.
There's a hill.
Not Gay. It's called Mt Gay. Gay was actually just after. Were you even listening? The Gay. Sir John Gay.
Those two over there want to go get naked on top of Mt Gay.
Not the brother.
Yes.
I do apologize, gentlemen, but there's no robot mousing going on here. I do apologize. So you're gonna have to take your clothes off somewhere else. Your friend did that to you, wasn't it? Right behind me, everyone, we have this big guy right here. This is our copper pot, also called the pot still. It's the original one used by us, dating back to the year 1760. This is going to give us double distilled rums, carrying a sweet and bitter characteristic, and it's going to push off rums at 97% alcohol.
It's got good. John Gay perfected the craft of rum by observing the handcraft techniques that consistently precede the best distillates and implementing them as standard practice throughout the distillery. Even today, Mt Gay Rum stands apart for its handcraft techniques. Small batches are distilled twice in copper pot stills, and tropical aging is conducted by a single master blender who monitors barrels of rum for their maturity before blending.
Really good?
Here comes that shit again. I got a Halloween head full of tricks and treats. It leads me through the nighttime streets like cats and fallen trees. Under ladders, always walking. Salt shaker spills just rolling.
How's this one, Ro?
Pretty strong.
Is it nice?
Yeah, it's really nice. Yeah, it's really nice.
I like the smell of this better.
Do you like this one?
Yeah, I like it. Nice.
Sarah. I'm not showing. I'm not showing.
Sarah. Shut.
Take it.
Women.
Get it down here, Adam. Get it down there.
Cheers.
Margaret's number one. Now these are only clear first.
That's good.
Traditionally, on the shore, clear rum. Wait a minute, who's the best tour guide?
Oh shit.
Really? Come on.
Cheers.
So we all had plenty to drink. Time to head back to the boat. There is Triple Park.
I'm walking out of the Mt Gay factory, triple parked.
Scale one.
Scale one. No.
Every day. Oh, every day.
Wait, let's get one. But you can't come here and not buy one.
We have to get a boat.
So if you ever go to Barbados, Mt Gay is definitely a place worth visiting. Thanks for having us.
It is absolutely bucketing down. We were just going to go swimming with the turtles.
No, you can't even see.
No, you can't even see outside. Look at that. Bucketing down.
Join us next week on Inspire as we have Christmas Day in the beautiful waters, get some amazing drone footage and dive an amazing shipwreck.